Hello friends, we are going to write a Python program to calculate the volume of the sphere by obtaining the radius as the input. I am using a variable V for volume, R for radius. The volume of the sphere formula is 4 divided by 3 pi r cube. R stands for radius. For this we are going to write the Python program. We will write the program. First I am importing the math module. Import in the math module because I am going to use the value pi from the math module. The variable r equal to float of input of enter the radius of the sphere. I am closing the input function and closing the float function. So input function displays the string, enter the radius of the sphere in the console and obtain the input from the user. Input always receives the input as a string that is converted into float by using this float function and it will get stored in the variable r. So we obtain the radius value. This is the radius value. From the radius we have to calculate the volume. Now I am going to calculate the volume of the sphere. V equal to 4.0 divided by 3.0 multiplied with, I am taking the pi value from the math module, math.pi multiplied with the radius, this exponent operator, radius power and 3. R double star 3. Double star is exponent operator. It will raise the 3 to the power of the radius. So 4 divided by 3 into the value of pi which is taken from the math module multiplied with the radius cube. So this formula is applied and the volume get calculated. Now I am going to print the result. Print the volume of the sphere with radius comma r comma the string is comma v. I am printing the result. The volume of the sphere with radius powered by the variable r. That means the value of the radius will get printed, comma is and the v volume will get printed. So this is a program. Now we will take a sample input and check how this program works. So we are going to see how this works in the console. Float of input of enter the radius of the sphere. So in the console, user console will display a string enter the radius of the sphere. So I am giving the value 3.0. Now the volume 4 0.0 divided by 3.0 into math.pi 3.14 multiplied with r cube. So 3 cube. This will apply it in the formula and value of the volume will get calculated and stored in the variable b. Now I am getting the output in the screen. This is the print statement which displays the output. So the output is the volume of the sphere with radius 3.0 is 113.09733. So this is my output. So I am entering radius 3.0. I am getting output. The volume of the sphere with radius 3.0 is 113.09733. So in this video lecture, we have seen the program to calculate the volume of the sphere by obtaining the radius as an input. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment and press the bell button. Thank you.